Okay, here's the result of the soy and can of Thai Kitchen unsweetened coconut milk. It actually tastes good. Way better, I think, than if for some reason the flavor is different than the soy. This was a 3 teaspoon though for that 7 cup, what is it, 1.65 liter Pyrex Bowl batch. So nice and thick. But I also want to note with this batch, I don't know what to do. I used cheesecloth in the colander to strain this, and so the whey separated out really good. Yeah, this is at Gums and Teeth plus from the original batches, plus 3 capsules full mixed in. And the only thing is the yield's pretty low, so I don't know what think about what I could do to bulk that yield up. I guess inulin maybe. I have to think about it. And then with the other same size container, same basic starter, except I used not the soy milk whey. I used the Gums and Teeth. That I got about 3 pints, so considerably better yield. But okay, well, I got an early day today, and you all have a Merry Christmas out there, a Happy New Year, a Happy Holidays, and be safe, stay healthy, and until next time.